Hello students, today we will discuss the different word problems based on the linear equation in one variable. Okay, we will discuss type wise. And the first type we will discuss about a number, about a rational number. Okay, you have to think about a number, then you certain operators will be there, and then you have to find out the answer. Okay, so type 1 is there. If you subtract 1 by 2, and these questions are from your NCERT books, from different exercises. Some questions from 2.2, from 2.4 and 2.5, okay, 2.6. So first question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. So what is the number? Simple things are there. Okay, whenever they will ask about you about the number, so let the number will be x. So first of all you will let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. Okay, now comes to the operation. Now read the statement carefully, because answer is there only. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, they are asking about if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, means from a number you subtract 1 by 2. Clear? Now multiply the result. Multiply means multiply the result by 1 by 2. Multiply the result by 1 by 2. Simple. Okay, you will get, that means equal. So you will get 1 by 8. Simple. Again I am repeating. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, we have subtracted 1 by 2 from a number. Okay, this number is, we have taken x. Now multiply the result by 1 by 2. I have multiplied this result by 1 by 2. Now you will get 1 by 8. So you will get means the answer will be 1 by 8. Now we have to solve. 1 by 1 you will solve the equation, or okay. Now you can multiply this number inside also, or directly you can take this number to the right hand side. It's up to you. Okay. Now I am doing simple thing. I am writing x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 8. Now 2 is in divide, so it will go in the multiplication, and 1 will comes in divide. So okay, we can simply write 1. So it will be 2 1s are 2. It will be 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So it will be 1 by 4. Okay. Now equation is x minus 1 by 2. Equation is coming x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. It is very simple. You have to find out the value of x only. So you will find x is equals to 1 by 4. It will go to the right hand side with negative sign. It will convert it into positive 1 by 2. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 4. It will be 4 1s are 4, 1 1s are 1. This is 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So it should be 3 by 4. So the required number is coming, that is 3 by 4. The number which we have let in the starting, this is 3 by 4. Understood everyone? Now next question is, a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you will get minus 7 by 12. What is the required number? Okay. Again, a rational number is such that, first of all you will let a rational number will be, let the rational number be, let the rational number is x. Okay. Now a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2, we have to multiply it by 5 by 2. That means x into 5 by 2. Okay. And add 2 by 3 to the product, means we have to add to the product. What we have to add? That is 2 by 3. Okay. You will get means equal. You will get means equal. That is minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Okay, we will find out. This is x into 5 by 2. This one is again extra term. Okay, so you will write, or you can write also 5 by 2x, but I am taking same. X into 5 by 2. Okay. Now take this number to the right hand side. When it goes to the right hand side, it should be minus 2 by 3, because it was plus here. on the left hand side. Now just take the LCM of these numbers. The LCM of 3 and 12 will be 12. You can easily find out the LCM. Now divide 12 ones are 12, 1 7s are 7, 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so it should be minus 7 minus 8. It should be minus 15 by 12. Okay, now you can write, or simply you can cancel the terms also. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So the number is coming minus 5 by 4. Okay, now on the right hand side we are having x into 5 by 2 is equals to minus 5 by 4. Again, only we have to find out the value of x. So now remove this part also. This is in multiplication. So again, this is in division, it will go to the multiplication. This is in multiply, it will go into the division. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the value of x is coming minus 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2. So the answer is coming, the required rational number is coming minus 1 by 2. Understood everyone? So simply you have to apply the operations what they are asking. If they are asking about the multiplication, then they are asking about you have to something add or subtract. So please place these values correctly, then definitely you will get your answer correct. Now the next question is, Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplied the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Okay. Now comes to the statement one by one. So first of all we have to think about a number. Let the number be, you can write x or n, whatever you want. Let the number be x. Okay, you have to write. Now comes to the statement. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. Okay, I am taking first line only. We have to subtract means minus x minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now what they are asking, she multiply the result by 8. Multiply means into. You have to multiply the result by 8. The result now obtained, now result means equal. Now the result is coming, result means equal. Okay, the pass over the result, that means result now obtained is 3 times the same number. Result now obtained as 3 times means multiply the same number she thought of. उसने क्या number सोचा था? That is x. Okay. Now that means now result is coming 3 times, that is multiply the same number she thought of. That means 3 into x, same number. Simple. Now you can use any method. You can multiply this 8 into the inside also, or you can take to the right hand side. Okay. Now just we calculate the numbers, because these are the variables and this is constant. So you can take this side also if you want to take. So I am doing this one, x minus 5 by 2. So when you take 8 to that side, it is in multiplication, it will go to the division part, it is 3x by 8. Now variables, this one is also variable. Now take the variable to that side also, or you can take this one also. Okay, I am taking 3x by 8 to the left hand side. So it should be 3x divided by 8. Okay, now this is only constant value 5 by 2. So when it goes to the right hand side, it will be 5 by 2. Understood? Now take the LCM of these numbers. LCM will be 8. Okay. Now 1 8 is 8, that is 8x. 8 1 is 8, 3x is equals to 5 by 2. Now what is the answer here? Result here. Result will be 8x minus 3x. It is 5x divided by 8 is equals to 5 by 2. Okay. Now comes to the result. Now it is coming 5x divided by 8 is equals to 5 by 2. You have to find out the value of x only. Okay. Because Amina thinks about a number of x only. You have to find out the value of x. Now x will be 5 by 2. First of all you will write now 5 is in multiply. So it will go in divide now. It will be 8 divided by 5. Now divide the numbers. It should be 5 ones are 5, 2 fours are 8. Okay. Now they are having 1 fours are 4, 1 ones are 1. So answer is coming. The number is coming 4. Okay, students. So this is the first type. Okay, about the linear equation, in which we have to think about a number or any rational number we have to think about, and different operations we have to apply, like multiplication, subtraction. Okay, then you have to find out the given number. So this is the first type of the linear equation. In the next video we will discuss about the next type. Okay students, bye bye.